Okay, so my channel no intro, move on no city. Into once in a video, make sure I for the button. I fix all DStv and I don't go TV E16 error. In the same E16 error, what would you code another other your go TV and another DStv video in make sure DStv but button. I use the same steps and that's all go TV this with E16. In the E16, in E16 will pay TV. You could be out there more trying there. There is no connection between the pay TV company or platform and now would you code another one account. Into the E16, so E16 babada today you be answer our trigger them E16 more. Into E16 normally say be a you package it all package and if you subscription now and channel the white time now want to connect to another one bit to info no my channels and start on your juma until E16 you better avoid the E16 now or make sure that you make a payment or make a payment at the right time network no available network no DStv network no most no all the time no is stable at this time by 8 o'clock all call 11 o'clock and I don't know say make a payment during that time and most no yeah they experience them E16 errors so they make sure they make a payment daytime they make a payment daytime mobile any experience E16 error no other times they make a payment and make sure they go and wash it while turning on payment in button and make a payment I blind you to code the code and buy one thing or they make sure they are turning on no most often is the code and button wow off still button wire by impeded by experience E16 error because E16 error most of the times clear no your head in kakla say be steps na be taken no nyina anya adwuma bi om kraba free DStv office won't mbo into they make sure they be prevent E16 error no amone mbo the code no into make sure they better need the code on and so they make payments and also there E16 no bado imla e upgrade another downgrade wo package no ABI or access ne Pbteck family into no e make a payment in we are born at them time no one update to info ni we into no born E16 abado na channels ni bi onye adwuma into no say in E16 order ya wonye maybe I want to say go to my na da so E16 no abla infle DStv office and install bia into first thing I say bo reboot would the code bodum na so if you bodum na so be 2 and 3 times if you are now from 10 minutes time 10 minutes or 15 minutes so channels and still am water the next option I will take on there but resetting it to factory default into reset to factory default more link or how ma or chiro kind of go to my reset to the code to factory default into reset new year to factory default na but scanning in our channels and for fraud into we are or they about 10 minutes be on mobile juma instantly visual more or they can crans or juma into after that no so still the same E16 order the next option is the DStv for why available self-service abutun using that solve problem abla ne ha DStv office another install bia into them self-service no your short code self-service option when your app into app no so you two different apps your my DStv app and your DStv app DStv app near for streaming on the bottom of the share channels in even but my DStv no the purpose no for manage your channel or account to bottom at your package no my DStv app no bottom a clear order in teaching my DStv app now into with a short code no say boys with short code in option na short code no your country be on short code is Ghana short code no go stream no into pick Ghana short code na the IUC number na the smart card number no the account IUC number no bohun no decoder no the sticker tar ho or IUC number na the decoder no box bohun won echi and also there a pick remote na boko menu general information now ko help into call more bohun information be about the code and IUC number na smart card number or home and also the to channel be on your more the code and what even know that IUC number or pop your screen into pick IUC number na bobo reset in capital letters a throw reset in capital letters now follow by smart card number no na send it the short code Ghana short code is send it for about 10 to 30 minutes or do to pass one bar or they follow up with the self service now go use app into app no it download you already login with the smart card number na go home box in one de code no the smart card number ni shimana ada de go use email and the mobile number and the login we another go share fix error. Now I tap the now select error now Pbteck clean error no E16 error. Into select E16 error now proceed and go okay. Now for some small time you will be error over to my clear more. So error no one clear. I follow this necessary steps in one clear more. The last thing where they are in the DStv office. More about most of us from one want to me found. So I didn't make sure that go through this steps in answer na be from nearly for us already making sure that it was enough credit between that from because if I was told today after normal will be a little normal network be the one what on your free level free DStv office in the next first time I remember behind there be me them read no on subscribe now I share video to all platform entirely and